Drop a 50 on that bitch like, oh, hide. I get so high, I hide it from the camera, so I'm smart. My favorite one get jealous, but you got my whole heart.
Yo, hello, it's Trevor here, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to make the galaxy effect you saw in the beginning. And I also just wanted to say thank you guys for 500 subscribers. I can't believe we grew this fast, but yeah, I'm really thankful. And today I wanted to make like a, something a little bit more advanced, I guess I could call it. And you guys are going to understand what I mean later on in the tutorial. So yeah, let's do this. So we can start off by importing your clip here. My clip is around 2.5 seconds long, and the first thing you're going to do is rotor brush the person you want the galaxy effect to appear on. And if you don't know how to rotor brush, I have made a tutorial on it, which will be linked in the description. But yeah, just rotor brush the character first. Okay, this is pretty bad rotor brushing, but it will get the job done. Yeah, after the rotor brushing now, we're just going to press Ctrl D now on the clip, bam. And then on the clip below, you're going to delete the rotor brush effect. And now you're just going to render this whole clip here. Okay, so export this. Here, make a new folder. Name it something like, I'm gonna name it like Lucky Galaxy or something. Just like that. And then here you make another folder. And here name it normal. And export this. And now we're going to use Premiere Pro now. Okay, so yeah, just make a new project here in Premiere Pro. Then you're going to import the normal clip, just like that. And now we're going to render this clip here in just frames. So press here. Mark out, and then go to export, and then choose JPEG here. Open up the folder again. You're going to name this frames, and then here name it 00. Save, and then export. Perfect. Now you will get this look here with all the frames on the whole video. So now we're going to use a AI website, and the website we're going to use is called deepdreamgenerator.com, and you can just make a account here, and then you get some free charges which you can use to generate a AI image here. And this is not sponsoring video or whatever, this is just a great website overall. And then you're going to choose deep style here, and here choose base image. They're going to upload, so the 00 one, and then open. Perfect. Then choose that one, then choose style image, open that up, then choose this one. And then from here I'm using the normal settings here, then just press generate. You're just gonna let this load for a bit. Now the generator is done, and you will get something like this, which looks pretty cool. Press right click and then save build as. And now right click, make a new folder, name it keys, then go in here and name this like Galaxy or something, just like that. Now we're going to open up Photoshop here, because we need to scale the image up. So the easiest way to do that is just open up Photoshop, press new, FHD, and then import your generated image here. Go to the corner, press shift, and then scale up, and then file, export as, and then choose JPEG. Export. You can overwrite this. So replace, yes. Now we can close down Photoshop, and now we're going to use another program called EbSynth, which is free to download, and I will put the link in the description for you guys. And this program basically makes this image here a video. So you will have this reference image here, and then you have all the individual frames which this program will try to replicate in all the other frames. So you're going to import the whole frames folder to the video section here, and then the whole keys folder to the keyframe. Then you can select the output. You can make a new folder, actually call this final frames. Select folder. You have to name this one, and the keyframes you're going to select this image here, drag it there, and now you can just press export to AE. And now you're going to copy this, Ctrl C, go over to your composition, then press Ctrl V, and from here you're going to adjust a little bit. So go in here, something like that, and now make a adjustment layer, Ctrl Alt Y, add a transform, then scale it up to 103 so it doesn't look weird on the edges here. And from here you're going to select this rotobrush layer and then press Ctrl D and then drag this down below the final frames layer, and then you mark the rotobrush layer again and then the final frames layer, and then you right click, pre-compose, name it to like something like Galaxy or something, just like that. Open it up, and then from here go to mode and then stencil alpha. So now it looks something like this. It looks pretty cool in my opinion, not gonna lie. So yeah, now you go back to your composition, and here we're going to add some effects to make it look even better. So you can start off by going to this rotobrush layer, duplicate this again, so you press Ctrl D and then press Ctrl D again. So now we have 3 different layers with just Lucky on, and you can drag one above the Galaxy layer, just like that. And from here we're going to add edge detect, and then choose mono edges, edge smoothness to 0, threshold to 2.27, and then that should be good. And now we're going to add deep glow to it, and from here we're going to change the mode to the blending mode to add, so it's shining a little bit more instead of pressing on Alt, just like that. And then to make this effect even more interesting, we're going to add CC ball action. Okay, so now when you've added ball action, we're going to keyframe this. So you can start off by pressing the clock here at scatter, and it's going to be 0 at the beginning and go to the end, and then we're going to put 92.4. Then we're going to change the ball size to 16, and we're also going to keyframe the instability state. So press here 0 and go here to 229.5. Now we're going to add 4 color gradient. We're going to choose these 2 colors, so, and then blending mode HUE, and then we're going to add deep glow, and we're going to increase the exposure to 3.28. Add smooth blending and then press unmalt. And the last effect we're going to add is called flickers. We're going to increase it to 0.5, and that should be good. And then just change the blending mode to add. And now we're just going to keyframe the opacity. So we start at the beginning, 100%, press the clock here, go to the end, and then go to 65. Looks good. And the finishing touch we're going to use to complete this effect is adding vignette. Just use the normal settings. So yeah, this is how you made the Galaxy effect you saw in the beginning. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. As I said in the beginning, thank you guys for 500 subscribers. And yeah, like and subscribe, and give me some feedbacks on some new tutorials. And I will see you guys next time. Have a nice day.